Hello beautiful people, how are you? It's me Sans, and in this video I will show you one of my favorite app that I will always use in my work. The best part is it is an open source software. Yes guys, you don't need to pay any money to use that app. And friends, usually when we work on the computer and we want to properly screenshot where we can label them, we want to upload it in a Google Drive for future use, then I think we should start using this software. It's called Sharex. So without wasting any time, let's begin this video. So guys, first you need to install this software. So you can go to the Google and search for Sharex, and you can download and install this software. I will also put the download link in my description so that you can directly download from there. And once you have finished downloading this software and once you have completed installing, then we are ready to go. So once you have installed the software, then if you click over here, you'll see this Sharex icon over there. So just click right and you will see there are couple of options, so you can play with those options. So before doing that, let's take a screenshot, let's do some basic screenshot like how it works. So to take the screenshot, what you need to do is press Ctrl and then click print screen. So this will give you an option to take a screenshot. So suppose I just want to take this screenshot, then just grab your mouse and just drag it and just hold your left mouse and just click it. And after that your screenshot is taken. So you can check it by just going over to pen brush and press V. See, you can see the screenshot. So let's do it again. So this time let's go to here and let's take a screenshot of this one, and let's do some more fun, like let's level it. So press Ctrl, print screen, and this time we will play with these options. So you can see there are a couple of options over there, right? So suppose you want to use the rectangle, then it's over there. You can always use the shortcut. I use the shortcut mostly, but for this video I am showing you I'm doing manually, like clicking these options. So for rectangle you can always press R. For arrow you can press A. You can see the option is being changed. For let's start with rectangle. So when you click R, it will give you an option to select give you the rectangle option, so that you can use that rectangle over here. Suppose you want to highlight that text, then you can just use that rectangle to just highlight the screen. And once you finish that, you can always click this rectangle region and grab, and this will save your screenshot. And suppose you want to paste that screenshot in somewhere, suppose like in MS Paint, then you can always go to MS Paint and press Ctrl and V. You can also paste in different things. Suppose like you want to paste it in your document, like in your WinWord, then you can also do that. So suppose you want to do some leveling as well. So look at this picture, and I want to do some leveling in this picture. So it's the same process. Press Ctrl, print screen, and let's click A. This will pick this arrow. So when you use this arrow, you can just label that picture, suppose like that, and press T or this option, and you can label like I. Click, you don't need to click it again. Load. Interesting, isn't it? So suppose you even don't want to use the arrow, you just want to use the bubble that will automatically point at arrow, then you can use this option, a space balloon. So when you click this one, this is very interesting and useful option. Like suppose you set it, okay, then this will give you this nice arrow, so you can just grab it and put it there. And once you are happy with that, then you can always go to rectangle region and just clip it. So beside that, suppose if you want to blur her eyes, then you have this beautiful option. So you can use this blur option and it will just blur the face. So this is very pretty. So suppose you also want to pixelate, like anything, suppose like this dog, then you can also use this option and it will just pixelate. And once you are happy with this option, then you can always go to this rectangle region and crop it. So I won't go with each and every option, but you can play with these options. So they are very cool and they are really helpful. So depending upon your need, you can go and click it. So and once you finish is just grab this one and just paste in your document, Control V. Easy. It's very cool, isn't it? So suppose we want to save our screenshot in some folder, instead of just clip that, take that screenshot and just Control paste on the document. Suppose we want to save that screenshot every time when we take any screenshot. So for that, what we need to do is we need to make some changes. So you go to the Sharex, just right click that Sharex screen and go to after capture task, and here you can see it's taking copy image to clipboard. Means whenever you take a screenshot, it will be copied to the clipboard. That's why you can go to paintbrush or Word and you can press Ctrl V to paste that clipboard. Now you want to save your image, then instead of clipping, you can just untick and you can just click this option, save image to file. Now next time when you take the screenshot, what it will happen is, see, it will save your file image in a separate folder. And the nice part about this thing is, like, you can see this folder structure, they are different kind of folder depending upon the year and date, so that you can easily organize, okay, these are the screenshots that I took on this date. So for August, you can always go to here, take few more screenshots, and it will be saved in this folder. It's very cool, isn't it? Nice. So one more thing that we can do with this Sharex is you can also record the screen. So to record the screen, the shortcut is Shift and Print Screen. So when you click Shift and Print Screen, you can see the dotted arrow. So it's like choosing the area. Suppose you just want to choose this area to record a video, you can select that, and once you select that, then you can see this number, so the video is being recorded. So once you finish recording, you can always click stop, and this will save your video in MP4 format. See, it's pretty cool, isn't it? Nice. Now let's do one more thing. So let's suppose you want to save your screenshot and you want to upload your screenshot in your Google Drive, so that you can use that screenshot for future, like work, for that, what you need to do is you need to go to that setting again, and this time what you need to do is you need to go to the destination and click destination setting, and over here you can see in the file uploader, suppose for this video let's go with Google Drive. So when you click the Google Drive and when you click open authorized page, then this will open this login screen. This actually means suppose you have your Google Drive in some account, and you need to log in to that account to give authorization to Sharex. So suppose you log into your Google account. Next, type your password. Okay, since my account is linked with my mobile phone, so it will send me a verification code. Click send, and then I will get the notification in my mobile. I will press that code. So once I verify my account, then it will ask you like Sharex wants to access your Google account, so you just need to click allow. So you can see once you give access, then it will give you this code, so you just need to copy this code and you need to paste that code over here. So just copy and paste it, and once you copy and paste it, you need to click complete authorization. Then it will say login successful, and if you click refresh folder, you will see there are some folders coming there. So they are the folder that I created in my Google Drive. So to verify Drive, let's log into drive.google. Maybe this is not the one. So just log in, go to Drive. So you just need to log in with the same account that you linked to the Sharex. So this is taking some time. So So once you log in into your Google Drive, you will see that there are two folders that I created. It's taking some time. Okay. So you can see there are two folders like college and screenshot, which you can also see over here, right? So suppose you want to create a new folder. So suppose you say image, useful images. Okay. So once you create this folder, you will automatically see that folder over here. So refresh folder. So guys, let's do something much more fun. So let's try to upload our screenshot automatically into our Google Drive. So to do that, we need to make some settings. We need to make some change in our settings. So right click, just click on the Sharex, right click on that icon and click destination, and in the image uploader right click, go to file uploader and select Google Drive. I already clicked that, so you need to pick that option, right? So just do that, and after that what you need to do is you need to go to that setting again, right click, destination, and destination setting. So in the destination setting in the Google Drive, make sure that you click this option, and when you have this list of folder, you need to pick one folder where you want to upload your screenshot. So for this example, I'm selecting this useful images folder, so just click that. So what it will does is I got this useful image folder in my Google Drive. So whenever you upload, whenever you take any screenshot, it will automatically upload that image in this folder. Pretty cool, isn't it? So let's try that. So suppose you want to take a screenshot of this icon, so just grab it, and this has saved in your local drive. But let's check over here. You can see this image over here. See, it's pretty cool, isn't it? So you can try it again. So just take a screenshot, and it will also upload in this folder. So it is taking time. So see, so this one is very cool. So this will be very useful. Usually if you want to save your like a screenshot and you don't want to lose that, like you just want to save in your Google Drive, then this is one of the better options that Sharex provided, and I really love that. So guys, suppose you don't want to use Sharex but still you want to take the screenshot, then without using Sharex, you have another option that you can also use to take the screenshot. For that, you need to have the Firefox installed in your machine. So if you have Firefox installed in a machine, then the Firefox will provide you a built-in screenshot option that you can use. This is general for a basic, if you just want to take screenshot of this thing, then if you right click, then there is a take a screenshot option. So you can click that and you can just select the portion. So once you select the portion, the beauty is like it gives you an option. So do you want to copy it or do you want to download it? So if you want to copy it, you can just click copy and it will copy into the clipboard, and you can see the message over here as well. So you just need to paste it anywhere. Suppose you want to paste it over here, just Ctrl V and it will be there. And suppose you want to download it, then just select it. Right click, take a screenshot and click download, and this will download your screenshot. You can always press Ctrl C to find where your download file is. Click this option and this will give you the downloaded screenshot. I hope you like my video, and I hope this software will help you in taking your screenshot in a better and in an organized way. And if you like my video, I will suggest please do like my video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.